What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. I have tons of cleaning motivation for you guys in this video, so be sure to watch all the way to the end. As you guys can see, my apartment is pretty trashed. I have all the dishes like usual, and then my dining table has all the typical clutter that it gathers as the days go on. And then I'll also be multitasking and teaching my daughter, because if you don't know me, I am also a homeschool mom. I have one daughter named Genesis, and she is in first grade. I'll also be cleaning my living area and tackling some stains that got on my couch and the floor. There's always all kinds of stuff all over the floor as well. And then the last thing I'll be cleaning or helping clean is my daughter's room, which is completely trashed. Normally she cleans it all by herself, but I will be helping her a little bit in this video. So if you guys are new, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my channel, and of course click the little bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And so I'm starting in my kitchen like usual. It's a mess because I was meal prepping the day before. Here's all the delicious food I made. And so yeah, I'm gonna tackle that first, and let's go ahead and get into this.
Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I am just cleaning my drip pans with a mixture of vinegar and soap and water, and then letting them soak a little bit in the sink. And then I'm going to be cleaning underneath. I did have trouble getting those two big spots out. I tried using a scoring stick to get it off, which would normally work, but it didn't work this time. So if you guys have any tips of how I can fully get that off, definitely leave me some comments below.
I am doing my schoolwork.
Tell them one thing you learned.
I just wrote a story. I learned suffixes. Is that right?
Prefixes.
Prefixes.
You learned suffixes before. Today was prefixes.
Suffixes.
And what's a prefix? Where does it go?
It goes first.
Yep, before the word. What's a suffix?
Suffix suffix as an ed, and
Added to your root word.
yeah.
Okay.
And
What did we do?
we made some types of Play-Doh. We made it from home, and because normal Play-Doh just dries up in 2 months. This will last longer than normal Play-Doh.
Store-bought Play-Doh?
Yeah,
Yep.
store-bought Play-Doh.
You got to get back to schoolwork.
I have to get back to school. You'll see me when we're moving on to over here. So yeah, bye.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low.
I don't know why, but I didn't feel like using my steam mop how it's intended. So I just threw a rag on it and sprayed some cleaner on the ground, and it definitely cleaned it just fine.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
Before we move on to cleaning her room, Genesis wanted to make some more of the homemade Play-Doh. We clean just to make more messes, right? But if you guys want to know how to make this homemade Play-Doh, I will leave everything in the description box below.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have
And now it's time to tackle this extreme mess.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet.